Welcome to CricNuts, cricket recaps and insights.
In a clash that will be etched in the annals of the Millennium Cricket League, Division B, Columbia CC and Junior. Black Caps squared off in a duel that promised drama, and oh boy, did not it deliver.
What unfolded was a cricketing tale destined for the storybooks. Under a battle-ready sky, with the green expanse as their stage, the two contenders readied their strategies, as onlookers braced for a spectacle.
Today's exhilarating encounter was made possible by our esteemed event advertisers, whose support never fails to add fervor to the fiery clashes of cricket.
Much like a dependable Div-Gen Pharmaceuticals partnership, today's match proved a perfect blend of power and strategy. And, like a precise shot in cricket, Faith Home Healthcare's care indeed hits the sweet spot.
Winning the toss and batting first, Columbia set a challenging score, thanks to a resilient partnership and a spirited half-century. The Black Caps struggled in the chase, with Columbia's bowlers weaving a web too complex to decode, folding under the rising pressure.
The game's tenor was set by Columbia's tactical acumen in the first innings, compiling a defendable total. Junior, Black Caps' response was marred by missed opportunities and a domineering bowling display that steered the match to a predictable end.
Columbia's innings was a canvas of grit and determination. Vishnurkar's blazing bat crafted a crucial half-century, while Durji and he painted a century stand that became the spine of their innings.
It was a chess match with the ball for Junior. Black Caps, Patel and Junaid striking vital blows. Yet, a lack of support and extras conceded proved to be costly leaks.
The second act saw the Black Caps' wickets tumble like autumn leaves. Columbia's bowlers, led by the ferocious Durji, decimated the opposing lineup, leaving no stone unturned in their conquest.
Durji's lethal spell was the proverbial final nail, as Columbia's bowling strategy suffocated Black Caps' hopes. Despite Parikh's resistance, the rest succumbed, and the victory seemed pre-written in Columbia's stars.
Vishnurkar was the linchpin for Columbia, with his 52-run knock setting the stage, while Durji's bowling masterclass ensured a stronghold. Patel's econ rate for the Black Caps illuminated his valiant, albeit futile, effort.
A story of triumph is not without its heroes, and Vishnurkar, alongside Durji, scripted their own legends. Their individual brilliance not only etched a narrative of dominance but also laid the pathway to victory.
Vishnurkar was the linchpin for Columbia, with his 52-run knock setting the stage, while Durji's bowling masterclass ensured a stronghold. Patel's econ rate for the Black Caps illuminated his valiant, albeit futile, effort.
A story of triumph is not without its heroes, and Vishnurkar, alongside Durji, scripted their own legends. Their individual brilliance not only etched a narrative of dominance but also laid the pathway to victory. Like a well-played innings that ends with a thunderous six, this match too culminated with Columbia CC's striking win. The lessons here are numerous, for players and teams alike, as they march on in this cricketing odyssey.
And so the curtains fall on yet another clash in the Millennium League, with Columbia basking in the glory of their triumph. This win is not just a statistic, it's a testament to their strategic prowess and a beacon for future battles.